Here's an example of a smoke machine that I made. The air goes in on the right hose, no more than 1 psi, and it comes out on the left hose into your evap system. In the middle is a soldering iron. I believe it's 23 watts. It doesn't take a lot. This is a glass jar. It's got some baby oil and wick. Fiberglass would be best, but this is just a cloth rag that I had, and I just kind of held it against the soldering iron. This is my setup for testing the evap system on this car for leaks, because it has a code saying the evap system's leaking, and I don't have a fancy scanner or a vacuum machine, so I'm going to use the vacuum cleaner and a homemade manometer that I made out of clear tubing and some extruded aluminum. This came out of a pop-up camper of all things, and the channels are just the right size for this 1/4-inch vinyl tubing. One end of the tubing is connected right here to the evap port. The other end, I'm using a special tool here to pinch it off. I've already applied the vacuum, and the level was at 0, which I had already marked here. Right here. I applied the vacuum up to this level here until the water moved to that level. This is 1 psi, and I marked it with the clothespin. This was a few minutes ago, and after I pinched this off, I came back, and you can see that it hasn't gone down, so it has not been leaking. All right, so now I'm going to go on to the next thing.